Hello and welcome to my channel Rosebud's Classroom. Test paper 6 question 5a. It was John Stuart Mill who knocked at the door of Thomas Carl's house that morning. Carl gave the manuscript of his monumental history of the French Revolution to Mill for his suggestions. Mill's housemaid had used it ignorantly to start a fire. When Carl heard the news, his head began to spin. His life's work, which he did living in poverty, toiling at it for years, was now in ashes. And with the happiness of completed work, he had destroyed all his notes. The shock drained away all of Carl's enthusiasm. He wouldn't write anymore. A few days later, he looked out of his window when he noticed a group of bricklayers erecting the walls of a new building. Brick upon brick, row upon row, they made the building rise. That was the encouragement Carl needed. He took up his pen and recalled and rewrote word for word, sentence for sentence, page by page, the work that won him an eminent place in literary history. B. Fill in each blank with an appropriate word. Could I rely on your help? He has to cross a long bridge across the river. The country is agog with rumors of a civil war. His house is adjacent to the town hall. The poet was distinguished for his great literary work. Our water bill has run in to rupees 10,000. She could not put up with his violent temper. The labourer put the ladder against the wall. C. Join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and, but or so. She writes well, she speaks better. She speaks better than she writes. The thief ran away, I do not know how. I do not know how the thief ran away. He tells his young niece strange things. She believes them all. His young niece believes in all the strange things he tells her. I have rented this house, it belongs to my uncle. I have rented my uncle's house. D. Rewrite the following sentences according to the instructions given after each. People say that the old house in the corner is haunted. The old house in the corner is said to be haunted. I found a few boys in the class. Use many boys. I did not find many boys in the class. That is not the way a student speak. That is not the way a student should speak. Is that the way a student should speak? Besides making a promise, he kept it. Use not only but also. Not only did he make a promise but also kept it. Our victory surprised everybody in the school. Begin our victory. Our victory took everyone by surprise. He is sorrowful, yet he is hopeful. Notwithstanding, he is sorrowful, he is hopeful. We cannot ask him for money in any condition. Begin under. Under no condition can we ask him for money. My pocket has been picked. Begin someone. Someone has picked my pocket. This is all for today. See you in the next lesson.